Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add glitch effects to your videos in Capcut PC. So you just need to add your videos into Capcut PC and then go to the part you want to add the glitch effects. For example, I'm going to add a glitch effect in here. Now you can just go to effects and click on the drop down on the video effects here and tap on glitch. So you can see Capcut comes with a variety of glitch effects. Glitches effects that you can choose for your videos. You can just choose which one. There's this level glitch effect, or you can just add this basic glitch effect. So that's up to you, and if you want to add it, you can just click on the plus icon in here and you can modify the effects, the filter, range, speed and everything. So that's all from me. That's how you can add this glitch effects to your videos in Capcut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.